Hi, hello, and welcome to Food for All. Prepare your own food and taste the best. Today, we are back with another amazing recipe. This is a very different recipe, that is, masala stuffed puri. It is a mixture of besan flour and spices stuffed inside the wheat dough and deep fried. Before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. I have a bonus tip at the end, so watch this video till the end. So let us start this video. First, let us look at the ingredients. Ginger, few pieces of garlic, some coriander leaves, cinnamon 1 long, 3 to 4 cloves, besan flour 3 cups, red chilli powder 2 tablespoons, table salt 3 tablespoons, masala paste 2 tablespoons, lemon 1 whole, turmeric powder half tablespoon, and 4 cups of wheat flour, and some oil for deep fry. Let us look at the procedure. First, let us look at how to make the masala paste. This is a very important ingredient in this recipe. So to make this, take some chopped ginger into a mixer grinder. Add few pieces of garlic. Add some coriander leaves. 1 long cinnamon. Add 3 to 4 cloves and grind them and keep it aside. Now to make the stuffing masala, take 3 cups of besan flour. To this add 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of table salt, 2 tablespoons of masala paste which we have prepared before. Squeeze 1 lemon. And half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now mix everything together. And add water in very small portions to make it like a dough, and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Now we need to make the dough. To make this, take 4 cups of wheat flour and add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Then keep adding water in small portions and mix it to make it like a dough. Now to make this stuffing, cut the wheat dough into small and equal portions. Here I am dividing this wheat dough into small portions with the help of a thread. I am making them into small and equal portions. In the same way, make small and equal portions with the masala stuffing also. Now take the wheat dough and stretch it and keep one portion of the masala stuffing and make it like a ball. Repeat the same with remaining all balls. Now roll them into thin sheets by applying oil. Repeat the same with all. Now keep oil for deep fry and add these rolled thin sheets into the oil and deep fry them. Now masala stuffed puri is ready to serve. Make this at your home and enjoy with your family and friends. Now let us look at the bonus tip of today, that is benefits of using garlic in our day-to-day life. Garlic helps in reducing lung cancer risk. People who eat raw garlic at least twice a week has a 44% low risk of developing lung cancers. It also helps in treating allergies. Garlic contains antihistamine properties that help to erase and reduce allergy symptoms like stuffy nose, difficulty in breathing, watery eyes, and sneezing. It also helps to control the high cholesterol. Taking garlic supplementaries daily is said to have low total and LDL cholesterol by up to 15%. It also helps in reduce high blood pressure. Garlic consumption and supplementary will regulate and reduce the blood pressure significantly in suffering from high blood pressure. It also helps in strengthening the bone. Garlic will reduce the risk of developing bone loss by increasing the levels of estrogen in female. Guys, you have all seen the benefits of using garlic in day-to-day life. So if you are not using garlic, start consuming in small portions in your food or in tea or raw as early in the morning to improve your immunity system, which will help you to fight against the bacteria. I hope this was helpful to you. Please share it with others so others also get benefited from this. So please like, share and subscribe to Food for All, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get more updates on Food for All. Thank you for watching.